Hi, welcome to another edition of A for A levels. This is my tutor. Today we're going to do paper 119709 AS Pure Math, May-June 2020. Let's start. The sum of the first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is 117. Sum of the next 4 terms is 91. So let's look at this sum of the first 9 terms. So this is S9. It's 117. And here, the next 4 terms is 91. So the next 4 terms is until the 13th term. So the sum of the 13th term minus the sum of the 9th term is 117. Sum of the 13th term minus 117. Made a mistake here. This is 91. Equals 91. I'm going to try and make this video as short as possible so that 208. Okay, so S9 following the formula is 9 over 2, 2a plus 8d, 7. 2a plus 8d equals to 117 divided by 9 is 13 times 2, 26. So here is 13 over 2, 2a plus 12d, 208. 208 divided by 13 is 16 times 2, 32. Goes to 32. Now bringing this equation down here equals 26. Take away, we are finding A and D using simultaneous equation. 4D equals to 6. D equals to 1.5. This is the first term, the difference. So substituting into the first equation, 2a plus 8 times 1.5 equals to 26. 2a plus 12 equals 26. 2a equals to 14. A equals 7. That complete our first question. The condition of 1 over x in the expansion of kx plus 1 over x to the power 5 plus 1 minus 2 over x to the power 8 is 74. So we are looking for the coefficient of 1 over x. 1 over x. 1 over x, okay? 1 over x. Power is x power negative 1. Okay, so let's look at kx plus x power negative 1 power 5. The general term is 5r. Kx 5 minus r, x minus 1 power r. Now just multiplying the term in x will do times x to the power minus r. So you will have x 5 minus 2r. So you're interested in the power. This power. This must be negative 1. 5 minus 2r is negative 1. R is 3. So the term is 5, 3. Kx 5 minus 3 is 2. X minus 1. 3 equal 5, 3 is 5 times 4 times 3 over 6. 10. K square x square x minus 3. So here you get 10 k square x power negative 1. Now the other term is quite direct. 1 minus 2 over x x. So this will be the second term. It's in the ascending power. Huh? So the second term will be 81 minus 2 over x. So this is minus 16x to the power -1. Adding the two coefficients is 10k squared and minus 16. Get what the question is saying. The coefficient is 74. So you have 10k squared equals 90. K squared is 9. K is only 3. It's because K is a positive integer. Let's continue to the next question. Each year, the selling price of a diamond necklace increases by 5%. The price of the year before, the selling price of the necklace in the year 2000 was 36,000. Write down an expression, the selling price n years later, and hence find the selling price in 2008. So the selling price, this is your compounded interest where you learn in GSE math. So principal amount is 36,000. 1 plus interest is 5 over 100. So the answer is 36,000. 1.5. And at the year 2008 is 8 years later. So SN here, SN. S8 is 6,000. 5 above 8. It's not 1.5, sorry. This is 1.05. 05. See, when you have done a mistake, the calculator will tell you the value is too large. So it is 53188.40. Okay. The company that makes the necklace only sells one each year. Find the total amount of money obtained in the 10-year period starting in the year 2000. This is a geometric series then. So the first term is 36,000 until T10, which is the selling price is 36,000 times 1.05 to the power of 10. So this will be a geometric series, sum of the first 10 terms. This is not the formula. A is 36,000. The ratio is 1.05 to the power of 10 minus 1 over 0.05 minus 1 equal. Okay. Answer is 452,000 804.13. Okay, let's go to the next question. Each year, the selling price of the diamond necklace. Oh, okay, same again. The diagram shows a graph of y equals fx, where 3/2 cos x plus half, which is 0 and pi. State the range of f. So this will be the center point of the graph. The amplitude is 3/2. This is half. So plus 3/2 is 2, minus 3/2 is negative 1. Therefore, the range is between -1 and 2. Function g such a g x equals to fx plus k, where k is a positive constant. On the x-axis is a tangent to the curve y equals gx. State the value of k. So this is one of the new topics on graph transformation. So basically, it's a vertical translation upwards by 1 unit. So k will be 1. K is 1. And the transformation is a vertical translation by positive 1. State the equation of curve, which is the reflection of y equals fx in the x-axis. So reflection of fx in the x-axis is you have a gx is equals to minus gx minus fx, which is y equals to minus 3/2 cos 2x minus half. That's it. Very simple. Diagram shows the graph of y equals fx, where fx equals to, okay. The equation of a line y equals mx plus c and the equation xy equals 16. Given that the line is a tangent to the curve, express m in terms of c. This is also a new type equation starting from year 2020, which is normal for math for O levels. So solving a simultaneous equation, you substitute y with mx plus c. So x mx plus c 16 mx squared plus cx minus 16 equals 0. So if it's a tangent, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. So c squared minus 4 times m times minus 16 equals 0. C squared plus 64 m equals 0. You want m in terms of c. So by rearranging, m equals to c squared over minus 64. That's it. Given that m is minus 4, find the set of values of c for which the line intersects the curve at 2 distinct points. So if it intersects the curve at 2 distinct points, p squared minus 4ac is larger than 0. So c squared minus 64m larger than 0. Plus, sorry. So m is minus 4. So c squared minus 256 larger than 0. Factorizing c minus 16, c plus 16 larger than 0. By solving the quadratic inequality, you get c is smaller than minus 16 and c is larger than 16. This is c. Okay, good. Function f and g are defined as follows, where a and b are constant. Given that gg2 is 10 and f inverse function 2 is 14, find the values of a and b. So g2 is 6 plus b. g2 is 3, 6 plus b, and it's given that it is equals to 10. So 18 plus 3b plus 3b is plus 4b, 10. 4b equals minus 8, b is minus 2. Inverse function of f2 is equals to 4. Equals 2. Half times 14 minus a equals 2. A equals 7 minus 2. A equals 5. Okay, fair enough. Very good. Using these values of a and b, find an expression for gx in the term cx plus d are constant. So you're finding the composite function g f x, g half x. So it is g half x minus 5. Equal 3 half x minus 5 minus 2. Gfx 3 over 2x minus 15 minus 2 minus 17. That is the solution. Next question is a question on trigonometry. So I'm going to prove it using the left hand side. From more complicated expression to a less complicated expression. Sine. Making it into a single fraction, you have cos theta plus sine theta. Here is 1 plus sine theta square. Here, this times. And cos theta times plus cos square theta. So you have 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta plus cos square theta over cos theta sine theta. Okay. So you find that the first identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 sine theta over cos theta 1 plus sine theta. Factorizing the numerator. And cancelling off 1 plus sine theta, and you have what you are looking for. Okay. Next. Proof the identity. Okay, again, same. Hence solve the equation 1 plus sine theta over cos theta equals 4 values of theta between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, the first part, we have already shown that it is 2 over cos theta equals to 3 over sine theta. Multiplying sine theta up and bringing 2 down, you have sine theta cos theta equals to 3 over 2. Second identity, sine theta or cos theta is tangent theta. So theta equals arctangent. Remember to change the mode of your calculator to radian. Arctangent 3 over 2. So you have answer in the first quadrant 0.983 and positive in the third quadrant is 5 minus 0.983. So it's 5 minus, which is 2.16. That's it. You have your two solutions. Next question is question on circular measure. Find the perimeter of the shaded region BXC. Okay, it's given that this is 15 cm. What is this? Let's name it at theta. So 15 equals to 6 theta. Theta equals 2.5. This is pi minus 2.5. So the arc length PC, so the perimeter is BC arc length plus BX plus XC. Okay. So what is BC? Equals to 6 times pi minus 2. Let's leave it as it is first. Sine of pi minus 2.5 equals to Bx over 6 of Bx equals remember to put your mode of your calculator in radian. So this is 3.59. Cos of pi minus 2.5 equals OX over 6. So OX equals 6 times cos of pi minus 2.5. 4.81. So here, this will be equal to so XC 6 minus 4.81. 1.19. So adding this, and this, okay, will get you the perimeter. 8.63. Found the perimeter. Equation of a curve y equals 3 minus 2x cubed plus 24x. Find expression of dy dx. dy over dx. Bring the 3 down. Power minus 1. Differentiate 3 minus 2x is minus 2 plus differentiate 24x is 24. So this is again minus 6. 3 minus 2x squared. Let's like write it a bit better. Minus. Okay. Second differential. Plus 24. Power down times 6. 2 times minus 6 minus 12. 3 minus 2x. Power minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Don't need to write. Differentiate 3 minus 2x again is minus 2. Here you get 24. 3 minus 2x. Okay, that's it. Find the coordinates of each of the stationary points on the curve. So in stationary points, dy dx is 0. So you have -6, 3 minus 2x square plus 24 equals 0. 3 minus 2x square equals to 4. Square root both sides of the equation, you get 3 minus 2x equals to 2. Or 3 minus 2x equals -2. Solving, you get x equals to half, or x equals to 5 over 2. Y equals to 3 minus 2 times half cube plus 24 times half equal 2 cube is 8 plus 12, 20. So one stationary point is half. The other stationary point, y equals to 3 minus 2, 5 over 2 cube plus 24 times 5 over 2. So this -2 cube is -8 plus 60. So it's 52. So the other stationary point is 5 over 2. Determine the nature of each stationary point. This you will have to use the second differential to determine, which is 24, 3 minus 2x. Half y over dx squared equals to 4, 3 minus 2 times half. So this will give you a minimum point. X equals 5 over 2. Y over dx squared equals to 24. 3 minus 2 times 5 over 2 is 48. This is a maximum point. So half D is a minimum. 5 over 2, 52 is a maximum. Okay, we have it. Next, question 10. Oh. Circles. So this is part of a new syllabus starting from 2020 as well. So you have a circle with A and B as the diameter. The center is 0. Equation of circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, where the coordinates AB is the center, AB. So finding AB, the center is the midpoint, point A and B, -1 plus 7 over 2, -2 plus 4 over 2. This gives you 6 over 2 is 3, 2 over 2, 1. Now finding the length of AB, square root 7 minus -1 is +1 square, plus 4 minus -2 is +2 square. This will give you, therefore diameter is 10, the radius is 5. So the equation is x minus 3 square plus plus y minus 1 square equals to 5 square, which is 25. This is the answer. Find the equation of tangent t to the circle at point B. So again, you have the circle, point B, this is the tangent, point B. Point B is 7, 4. 7. Point A is minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 2. Gradient of AB equals to 4 minus 2, which is 4 minus 2 is 4 plus 2. 7 minus 1 is 7 plus 1, which gives you 3 over 4. So this line T, gradient of T is the negative reciprocal, so it's minus 4 over 3. So the equation of T, line T is y minus y1 equals to m x1. So this is y minus 4 over 3 x minus 7. Y equals to minus 4 over 3x plus 28 over 3 plus 4 plus 40 over 3. That's the answer. Okay. Find the equation of the circle, which is a reflection of the circle in the line T. So you have circle here. The center of the circle is a reflection of the center of the circle of the original. So B will be the midpoint. So if the center have a coordinate of xy, then x plus center of the initial circle is 3, 1. 2 plus 1 equals to the point B, which is 7, 4. So x plus 3 over 2 equals 7. X equals 11. Y plus 1 over 2 equals 4. Y equals 7. So the center of the other circle they want to find is 11, 7. And of course, the radius is also the same, still 5. So the equation of the circle is x minus 11 square plus y minus 7 square equals 5 square, 25. There, we have it. Okay, question 11. The diagram shows part of the curve y is 8 over x plus 2 and the line 2y plus x equals intersecting at points A, B. The point C on the curve and the tangent of the curve at C is parallel to AB. Okay. Now this equation y equals to minus half x plus 4. So the gradient of the line AB is minus half. Now let's find point C first. Make it a bit more difficult. So changing y, the curve, into a form which you can easily differentiate. You have dy over dx. Bring the minus 1 down is minus 8 x plus 2. Power take away 1. Differentiate x plus 2 is 1. So here you have minus 8 x plus 2. Okay. And the gradient at C is minus half. Cross multiply, you get x plus 2 square equals 16. X plus 2 equals square root both sides. You get x plus 2 equals to 4. X plus 2 equals minus 4. This will give you the other point that is not reflected in the graph. So I'm not going to solve this. I'm just going to solve this. So x is 2. y is 8 over 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2. So the point C is 2. Now, A and B, you need to solve simultaneously. Half x plus 4 equals to 8 over x plus 2. Half x. I think a bit too fast. Plus 4 x plus 2 equals 8. So you have minus half x squared plus x plus 4x minus x plus 4x is plus 3x plus 8 equals 8. Minus half x. I'm going to factorize this, cancel off. X minus 6. So x is 0. Or x is 6. Y is minus half times 0 plus 4 before. Or y is minus half times 6, which is minus 3 plus 4 will be 1. So let's look at the A is 0, 4. And B is 1, 6, 1. Okay, you have it, the answer. Find the volume generated when the shaded region bounded by the curve and the line is rotated through 360 degrees about the x-axis. The formula is AB volume y square dx. So bounded by the curve and the line. The line is on top, so we're going to put the line first. So this is between 0 and 6. Minus half x plus 4 square minus 8 over x plus 2 square dx. So this is 8x plus 2 power negative 2. So integrating, you get minus half x plus 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times minus half. Minus 8x plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 over minus 1. 6, 0. Let's simplify. So 3 times minus half is minus 3 over 2. So this will be minus 2 over 3 half plus 4 cubed. Minus 1 is plus 8 over x plus 2. 6, 0. Now let's substitute by 6 first. Minus 2 over 3. Minus half times 6 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 1. Plus 8 over 6 plus 2, 1. Minus 2 over 3, 4 cubed. Plus 8 over 2, 4. Okay, good. So this minus 2 over 3 times 1 is minus 2 over 3 plus 1. Minus is plus. So this will be plus 2 times 4 cubed 64 is 128 over 3 minus 4 equals to pi 126 over 3 minus 3. And we are there. 126 minus 9 is 117. Pi unit. That is the solution. Signing off. And before, if you like what I'm doing, put a comment below and like the page. If you want this paper to be sent to you, put in your email address and I will send over. For now, bye.